everybody. It's been a long time since we made one of my videos, but Emma has decided that we need to make a few more, so we're off and running today. What we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing of the new machine on the market for cutting paper, fabrics and a whole host of materials, and it's the Cricuit Maker. This is very similar to a lot of others on the market, except it has one big difference. This machine has a rotary cutting blade, which means that this will cut your fabrics without actually putting a backing or an interfacing onto them. So if you wanted to make any quilts or any other project that you don't really want to put interfacing on, this is the machine for you. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. And by the way, you may see more than one pair of hands. My trusty Emma will be by my side helping me to unbox this gadget. Right, okay guys, as you can see, we've opened the box, and before I take anything out of it, I just want to say, guys, I'm not being sponsored by Cricuit to do this unboxing. I wasn't given this item, I actually purchased it from Hobbycraft. Very good delivery, I have to say, really impressed. And look for a 15% discount code, you can find them. It's really great, help you get some money off of it, and when you're buying a product of this price, 15% is good, a good bit. And also, I have actually had all the other machines that I can think of out on the market. I've owned the Cricut Expressions, I've owned the Silhouette Cameo, and I also still own a Scan and Cut. So I don't have a particular preference for any brand. I just wanted to try this one out because of the new rotary cutter that they're saying will work on fabrics without any interfaces or backings. So let's get going. First of all, when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is another box. And the box says, let's get started. The box also invites you to go to the Cricuit.com website /startup so you can find out all the stuff that's going to be inside this box. So let's open it up and have a look what we get. Just opening up the box. And we have a lovely, it looks very, very plush, a nice big black envelope. And what it says in here is, it says materials for your first project. So let's have a look and see what they've sent us. Right, when we open it up, we have some cardstock, some textured cardstock, and some fabric. Now, I'm presuming they've sent that because they're going to show you how to make a particular project. So, but you know, you're going to have all your own stuff in your cupboards if you're a crafter, so you'll use what you want to. You also have in this box the welcome book for the Cricuit Maker. I'm presuming that's going to give you all the quick, easy-going guides on how to get started. And you also have the rotary cutting blade. Now, this is the thing that is distinguishing this from any other cutter on the market. It has a rotary cutter. When you use the other products, they have like a knife blade, which is why you have to put backing onto your fabric, because it cuts in straight lines and the blade goes through it rather than rolling like a rotary cutter. And if you're a quilter or a crafter that uses fabrics and rotary cutters, you'll know what I mean. So let's put that down there and let's see what's at the bottom. And there is a USB wire and a pen. So that's in that box. And your warranty. Don't forget to put that somewhere safe. Keep it with your purchase receipt, because you never know if you're going to need to use it. So let's put that to one side. And now I think we might need to get my very own version of Magic Hands, and anybody who watches Create and Craft will know what that means. So Magic Hands, if you'd like to come and help. And we're going to lift out the machine. Whoa. And if I move the box, Magic Hands can hold the machine. Right. Thank you, Magic Hands. That's Magic Hands. If anybody out there who knows me will know who Magic Hands is, that's Emma, as you know. Queen of the household here. So, this is what I've got. In the bottom of the box, there was the power supply. You'll notice it is a British plug. A lot of people have bought these from abroad and you have to buy a transformer, but not with this one because it's a British one. There was also 2 cutting mats, and if we read them, the pink one is the fabric mat, and this one is the light grip cutting mat. So this is the fabric mat, the pink one. This is the one I'm going to be really interested in, and I'll have a play around with that later, and maybe Magic Hands can help me do another video and show you fabric being cut. So now let's open the rest of it. Cricut obviously have taken, instead of being green, because they were very green at one point, the new green is black, obviously. And this is the machine. It's very pretty. Okay, everybody, so this is the machine. It's come completely encased in plastic, which is really great. Stops it getting any bumps or scratches during transit. So let's have the fun bit and let's break the seal. Okay, everybody, well, we've taken the plastic off and I've also plugged it in so I can show you what it looks like when it's turned on. So you plug it in and then you open it up and it opens up just like the soft closed drawers on your posh kitchen. You'll need to take this bit out. It's a bit of plastic, you don't want it in there. It will block up the blades and the runners if you turn it on and start cutting with that in. So you take that out, and then there's the on button here, and you just switch it on. It turns on very quietly, as you can hear it's going while I'm speaking to you. It's quieter than the Silhouette Cameo. Don't get me wrong, I love the Cameo, but it's much quieter, and it's now ready to go. So over the next week or so, Magic Hands promised me she'll help me make another video showing you how the machine cuts with the rotary cutter. So please tune in for that. And if there's any other videos you'd like us to make that we can do, we'll try and get those to you. And we'll also be making some videos on how to make different quilt blocks just using your old rotary cutter and the new modern methods. So we'll be doing some of those over the next few weeks. So subscribe to the channel and we look forward to seeing you again.